Alright peeps, it's just a quick word before you watch the video. I'm still working on this to get it working perfectly. There's an issue with one channel being louder than the other channel when the GoPro records. It does record on both channels, but one channel's a lot louder than the other one. I'm still working to fix that. And I'll do an update video once I do manage to get that solved. But as of now, it does work. It record. I can get it to record my voice. I can get it to record the comms coming through from my Packtalk, and it all goes through to the GoPro 5 and does record on the GoPro 5. So if you're interested, keep watching, and hopefully you'll get something out of it. Cheers. So the aim today is to show you how to set up your microphones in your helmet, so you'll be able to record the communications from your Packtalk or your Sena directly onto your GoPro. There's no way of actually doing that. The manufacturer won't allow you to do that. You can't Bluetooth connect your GoPro and your headset. They won't link together. So the only way you can really do it is to have one microphone picking up your voice, another microphone picking up the incoming comms from whoever you're speaking to. So this will be next to the speaker in your helmet, and those two inputs will go into the splitter and become one output going to your GoPro. So this is an Aufgeld mic. That's one I bought previously, and tried it as my main microphone, but it has the same issue with the GoPro 5 Black as most mics have, that when you're going at speed it pops and crackles. So that's if you're using it as your main mic. I'm going to use this as the mic that's going to be picking up the intercoms from the speaker, so hopefully that'll work. We'll try that. I told Aufgeld about the problems I was having with this microphone, and the microphone's fantastic. The size of it is great. It's going to be able to fit behind your cheek pad. It's everything about it's fantastic. Just has that problem with the popping at speed. So they sent me this one. Full disclosure, they sent me this one for free and asked me to try it out, which is exactly what I'm going to try out. So I'll be setting up this microphone as the main mic recording my voice. And what do you get in there? You get a little clip to clip on your clothing if that's what you want to do. You get the main microphone. Microphone. Now this is a different microphone from this one. It comes with two different adapters. Now what the manufacturers actually told me to try is this adapter, the 4-way adapter. So if you can see there's 3 rings there, 3 rings, and we need to try that into the GoPro sound, the 3.5mm converter. We need to plug this directly into that GoPro brick thing. So that's what we'll be doing. And here we've got a splitter So we're basically going to be using one mic to go into one side of the connection, the other mic into the other side of the connection, and this, grab the helmet. So I'm presuming that you have your comms device installed already. You've got your speaker, your microphone hooked up at the front here. So what we're going to have here essentially is this microphone will be up front next to the comms one. This microphone here is going to be in the cheek pad behind the ear pad here inside, recording the incoming sound from the comms device, and both of those inputs from your voice and from the speaker will come down out of here, and this will plug into your GoPro adapter here. So you'll have your two inputs going out the GoPro adapter here, and that is what I'll be trying. That's the basics of it. It's going to take a lot of faffing about. It's going to take taking out cheek pads, taking out possibly the top head padding as well, just to hide the wiring. I'm not going to show you that because everyone's helmet's slightly different, so how you hide your wiring will be different as well, and how you just basically want to do it. But that's the basics of it. You've got one microphone listening to the speaker. You've got one microphone picking up your voice. Both of those inputs are here. They go into one output. I'm going to do that just now, and I'll show you the results at the end. So this is the test to see if it's actually going to pick up my voice on the main mic and the communications through the Packtalk, the communication device. So if I just go to Carol, then I've got music. So hopefully, if it's working correctly, it'll be picking up my voice and the music coming through my comm system as well. Okay. Well, if this is working, stay tuned because I'll rip it all out of my helmet and I'll show you exactly what I'm using and where it's going, what it's connected to, and I'll give you the part numbers so you can get the exact same setup and try it for yourself. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the setup. So on the left we have our main mic. The details of that will be coming up on the screen just now. And on the right hand side we have the mic that sits next to your communication device's speaker. Okay, so right, so we've got those two cables. And they go into, right, so here's the critical setup here. So your two microphones go into this converter. Now these are two converters that come from Aufgeld, sorry. When you order the microphones, they come with these converters already. They're 3-segment converters. So these come with the microphones, so you don't have to purchase them separately. But this here, the splitter, it's a U-green splitter. You will have to purchase that separately, and the information for that will be coming up on the screen just now. Okay, and at the end of your U-green splitter goes into this extension here. Now, this will be on screen just now. And you get all of the links in the description as well. If you could use if you want to do this and you want to try it out, if you could use the links in the description, that would help me out. That would help my channel out as well. I'd be grateful if you did that. And so, finally, I don't know if you'll be able to see this here, but you've got the adapter for your GoPro right there, and basically the extension plugs into your GoPro adapter there, which just connects normally to your GoPro, and that's how you do it. Hopefully this will help you out if you're trying to do this. Let me know if it worked for you, if you're trying it out. Thanks. See you next time.